Ready to make your WordPress site even more engaging? In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create beautiful, easy-to-use video playlists using the Presto Player plugin. By the end of this video, you'll be able to showcase multiple videos in one organized playlist, perfect for courses, tutorials, product demos, or just about any kind of series you want to share. Let's dive right into the process. The very first thing you need is the Presto Player plugin installed and activated on your WordPress site. It's important to note that the playlist feature does require the Pro version, so make sure you've upgraded before you begin. Just head to your WordPress dashboard, find Plugins, click Add New, and search for Presto Player. A quick install and activation gets you ready to go. If this is your first time, don't worry, WordPress makes plugin installation pretty straightforward. Once it's activated, you'll see Presto Player appear in your dashboard menu. Now let's add some videos that will eventually make up your playlist. From the dashboard menu, go to Presto Player and select Media Hub. This is essentially your video library, the place where you'll manage all of your media assets for the player. Click Add New to start. Give your video a clear, descriptive title. This not only helps you stay organized, but also makes it easier when you're building playlists later. Then choose the video source. You have some flexibility here. You can upload your own file, paste in a direct video URL, or even connect to platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or Bunnynet. If you're using self-hosted videos, do keep in mind your website's storage and bandwidth. Using external sources can help your site load faster. Next, you'll want to configure the settings for your individual video. This is where you can assign a custom video preset. I do recommend taking advantage of this feature. Presets allow you to keep your styling consistent across all your playlist videos and add useful features like calls to action, branding, and custom player controls. Take a moment here and explore these options. It'll make a difference in the final polish of your playlist. When you're done, hit Publish to save the video to your Media Hub. If you're building a playlist with several clips, simply repeat this process for each video. A little patience here goes a long way. Ready to put your playlist together? Choose the WordPress post or page where you want your playlist to show up. Open the editor and click the plus button to add a new block. Here's a tip. Start with a columns layout, especially if you want your videos side by side or in a neat grid. In each column, add the Presto Player block. This lets you embed your Media Hub videos with just a few clicks. You can always adjust the layout later, so don't stress too much if it's not perfect right away. Within the Presto playlist block settings, you'll now get to choose which videos from your Media Hub should appear. This is a good moment to double-check titles and order. You want your playlist to make sense and flow smoothly for your viewers. You can also customize how the playlist looks, adjust colors, borders, and text to match your website's theme or your personal branding. If you have a specific color scheme or want your playlist to stand out, this is where some thoughtful styling really pays off. Plus, you can tweak the title and duration for each video item, which gives your viewers a sense of what's coming up next. Finally, once you're happy with the setup, appearance, and all your included videos, simply click Publish or Update on your page or post. Take a deep breath, your video playlist is now live for the world to see, and that's it. You've just built a custom video playlist on WordPress using Presto Player. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop me a comment below. I love hearing from you and I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress how-tos and plugin tips. Thanks for watching and happy creating.